What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're going to be using the LEKATO on the first fret. If you guys don't have one, don't worry about it. You guys can still follow the chords. It's just going to sound a little different. So this is G, and the chords are actually playing. It's also a G, but the sound of it is going to be a G sharp. Okay. All right, so we're going to start off with the chords. The first chord is going to be G. And I'll call it as G, not G sharp, just because we have the LEKATO on there and it'll show up on the screen there. So G, then to B minor 7, just covering that whole fret there, to a C, E minor, and D. Okay, so these chords here are going to be for like the verses, the chorus, and then we'll get into other chords that we're going to be using for the song. Alright, so here's an example of the strum pattern using those chords. 1, 2, 3. So basically what I'm doing there is just a long strum on the first one and then a short one on the second. So down, down. And on that second strum, I'm kind of like, shortening the strum by just placing my hand on it to stop the string. So so that is the strum pattern for the main parts of the song, the verses, the chorus. And now we're going to get into the bridge. So that part goes, I'll play the example, there it goes. So that is the bridge. So that one, we're going to be doing like 8 strums, but actually divide that into 2, so 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C. And then D is about like 12 down strums. So you can divide that like by 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that'll be 12 there. So let's start again on that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. D. It goes right back into the it's like the chorus there too. Alright, so for that chorus there, we're going to be using 2 new chords. So the chords are actually G, which you already know, to a B7. Okay, and then to a C, and then we're going to use a C sharp minor. Actually, this is a C minor. D7, C, and C minor. So for that one, same strum pattern, you can go. That is how you play this song. Hopefully I didn't go through it too quick, but if not, check out I'll have the chords down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.